Yes, this is a Buick Wildcat we got here, guys. This thing is clean. It's got very minimum damage, because I see some damage here on the paint. You're going to find some nicks and scratches. This is an old Survivor. Let's get into this car. And as you come by, you see stuff like that. That old Wildcat there. But it has survived time. I'm pretty sure it looked like somebody tried to do some things over here with these little nicks and scratches, but this car, all in all, is clean. You don't find much damage. You do find some. As you look in, oh yeah, this thing is very, very clean, very, very nice on the dash. These seats are very nice. You do find a little bit of wear and tear, but all in all, I'm not finding much to it. The headliner is very clean. These old Buicks and Chevys, man, these old GMs like this, they were always nice, fine, nice buy, As you look at the front end of it, as I said, you do find nicks and whatnot. Yeah, she needs a new paint job. If you're that critical of it, I buy it as is and still drive it and not care, but that's just me. This Wildcat is a nice car, man. Two-seater. Let's look at the passenger side. Yeah. If this was white interior, you could see how it faded some due to use. But the dashboard, man, is really clean. Very clean. Right down to the center of the car, man. This is nice. I don't see much to complain about. Let's look at the information board. A 401 V8, 2-speed automatic. So it was off-white color on the inside. Okay. You see the price. If you're in the market for something like this, it's here at Gateway Classic Cars, just outside of Chicago, Illinois. And I'll leave the contact information in here for you for this car at the end of the video. And as I say before, and I'll say it again, I cannot tell you how to spend your hard-earned money, but if you're in the market for something like this, it's here. Later, guys.